Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download fonts on Cricut. So here when I open up my Cricut, and here I will create a new project, and here if I want to write text I will click on text. I will write whatever I want. Simple. Now if you want to change the font of it, you need to go to font, and here you will see a bunch of font. But what if you want to add a custom font, that is you download it from internet and you want to add it? So personally I use the font, which is the font library, and it is totally for free. So here if I want to download this one, I will click on download, and this will start downloading the font. Now I will go to my file explorer, extract it, now click on it, then here you need to click on install. So this has installed the font in my system. Now you want to copy the name of this font, and now after that you need to close your Cricut, click on quick, and then again you need to launch your Cricut application on your Windows or MacBook, and after that you need to create a new workspace. So here when I click on text and write sample, which is text, and since my font name was Tiffany, I will copy it and search for it here by going to system, then here paste the font name. There you go, you have just added a font and used it on Cricut. So this is how you can add a font to your Cricut workspace. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.